You thinking what I'm thinking? Big tractor, big oak log. I got the forks on it. I'm saying no way possible. That log weighs almost 5,000 pounds, but we might as well try while we're here. I honestly never would have believed that this RK55 tractor could have possibly lifted that big red oak log. I was never even going to try to do it. I thought there's just no way. I went down there to move a basket of firewood, put the land plane on, because I have to go down to my mom's place and do a little bit of work on her driveway, but it's just kind of how things happen, you know. I'm hooking up the land plane. Out in front of the tractor, I see that big log sitting there. I got the forks on the tractor, and I remember somebody commented on that video when I skidded that log out. I'll put that one up above here. Somebody commented, they're like, now you got it out of the woods, how are you going to get it up on a sawmill? Well, now we know. I never would have believed it, but I'm telling you, this thing never even grunted. It picked it right up. Now, don't get me wrong, I didn't lift it real high. It wasn't like I carried it out of the woods. That was never going to happen. You'd end up tearing something up for sure. And I really don't even recommend doing what I just did. That log weighs well over double what the rated lift capacity is of this tractor. Now, I only lifted it up a couple feet, moved ahead a few feet. It didn't hurt anything. I probably would have felt like an idiot if I would have blew a hydraulic line or busted the boom off it, but it didn't. It did fine. I'm really impressed and I'm really surprised. Now, I don't have my phone with me right now to check, but the last time I looked, I estimated the weight of that log somewhere around 4,800 pounds, you know, close to 5,000 pounds. If you don't mind, you know, go online, look at a log weight calculator. That's a green red oak log, 39 inches at the big end, 37 inches at the small end, and it's 10 feet long, and see what you come up with. I think that's what it was, like 4,850 pounds. Surely I have to be off on that a little bit because I just didn't think a tractor could pick that up. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty cool. Now we know. If you ever do anything dumb like that, be very careful. Only lift it a little bit off the ground. Move real slow. Probably shouldn't do it. I'm just saying. But anyway, this video is going to run kind of long. This is actually going to be a video on the land plane. That'll be the next one. So like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.